Last night in Dallas, a 52-year-old construction foreman discovered something that changed his life forever. After struggling with low energy and poor sleep for years, he tried one simple trick. Within 3 weeks, his wife asked what happened to the man she married 25 years ago. He was back right now. Millions of American men are making a critical mistake every single evening. They're consuming garlic at dinner when they should be taking it right before bed. This timing error is costing them benefits that could transform their health, their energy, and yes, their performance. What I'm about to share isn't some internet myth or supplement company propaganda. This comes from research conducted at major universities across the country. Studies that Big Pharma desperately wants buried, because once men discover what happens when you time garlic correctly, those expensive pills gathering dust in medicine cabinets from Seattle to Miami suddenly become obsolete. Tonight, you'll discover 5 scientifically proven benefits that occur when men consume garlic at the precise moment their body needs it most. Benefits so powerful they'll make you completely rethink that bottle sitting in your spice rack. But first, let me be crystal clear about something. This isn't about eating more garlic. It's about eating it at the exact time when your body can unlock its full potential. Miss this window by even 2 hours, and you're leaving massive benefits on the table. Benefit 1. The testosterone hormone. Let's start with what every man over 40 needs to hear. Your testosterone doesn't have to decline with age. Not if you understand what's really happening in your body after dark. When the sun sets over America each evening, something remarkable happens. Your cortisol levels, those stress hormones that have been attacking your testosterone all day, finally start to drop. This creates a golden window, a 4-hour period when your body is primed to produce testosterone, but only if you give it the right fuel. Researchers at a major Nutrition Institute made a shocking discovery. When men consumed garlic during this nighttime window, something unexpected happened. Their bodies didn't just produce more testosterone. They produced it more efficiently. The secret lies in a compound called allicin. But here's what nobody tells you. Allicin only forms when garlic is crushed or chopped, and it only remains active for about 60 minutes. This means that garlic powder in your cabinet, practically useless. Those garlic pills from Walmart, missing the most important compound. The research showed men who consumed fresh, crushed garlic 1 hour before bed experienced significant changes. Their luteinizing hormone, the master switch for testosterone, increased dramatically. Their cortisol dropped to levels not seen since their 30s, and their morning testosterone readings, let's just say their partners noticed the difference. Here's the protocol that's changing lives from Portland to Philadelphia. Take 2 fresh garlic cloves, crush them, and let them sit for exactly 10 minutes. This activates maximum allicin formation. Mix with a tablespoon of raw honey. The honey isn't just for taste. It helps the compounds absorb better and prevents stomach upset. Consume this exactly 60 minutes before bed. Mark from Denver tried this for 30 days. His testosterone increased by 31%. His energy levels transformed. And at 58, he's out working guys half his age at the construction site. But testosterone is just the beginning. what happens to blood flow might be even more impressive. Benefit 2. The circulation SEC-RET. Every man knows that healthy blood flow is crucial, but what most don't realize is that night time is when your body performs critical vascular maintenance, and garlic can supercharge this process. Research from leading medical journals revealed something extraordinary. Garlic doesn't just improve blood flow. It can increase nitric oxide production by up to 200%, especially when combined with the vitamin C naturally present in that honey. Nitric oxide is the molecule that relaxes blood vessels. It's what those little blue pills try to mimic. But while those pills force a temporary effect, garlic helps your body produce it naturally. Think about what this means. Better circulation to every organ. Improved oxygen delivery to muscles. Enhanced blood flow exactly where men need it most. The studies showed that men consuming garlic at night experienced remarkable changes. Their blood pressure dropped, their circulation improved. And many reported benefits in areas they hadn't expected. James, a 64-year-old accountant from Chicago, put it simply, "I haven't felt this good since my 40s. My wife thinks I'm taking something. I am. It's just garlic. The key is consuming it when your body is in repair mode. During sleep, your cardiovascular system performs essential maintenance. Garlic provides the exact compounds needed to optimize this process. But improved circulation is just one piece of the puzzle. What garlic does to your metabolism while you sleep is equally powerful. Benefit 3. The metabolic is something that will blow your mind. Your metabolism doesn't slow down at night. It shifts into a different gear, a gear that garlic can optimize for fat burning and muscle preservation. Scientists studying garlic's metabolic effects made a startling discovery. When consumed before bed, garlic enhances insulin sensitivity. This means your body processes nutrients more efficiently, storing less fat, building more muscle. The research focused on a compound called S-allyl cysteine sulfoxide. This tongue twister of a molecule does something remarkable. It helps your body maintain stable blood sugar throughout the night. Why does this matter? Because blood sugar crashes during sleep destroy testosterone production. They interrupt deep sleep. They trigger cortisol release. They make you store belly fat. But when your blood sugar remains stable, your body can focus on what it should be doing at night. Repairing. Rebuilding. Rejuvenating. Men in the studies who maintained nighttime garlic consumption for 8 weeks saw dramatic changes. Their morning blood sugar readings improved. Their energy levels stabilized. Many reported losing stubborn belly fat without changing their diet. Robert from Houston shared his experience. "I'm 61 and tried everything to lose this gut. Started the garlic protocol and dropped 15 pounds in 2 months. Didn't change anything else." The mechanism is simple but powerful. Garlic helps your body use insulin more effectively. This means nutrients go where they should, into muscle cells for repair, not into fat cells for storage. But perhaps the most surprising benefit involves something most men don't like to talk about. Benefit 4. The prostate PROC2R over 50 and making multiple bathroom trips each night. You're not alone. Millions of American men face this frustrating reality. But new research shows garlic might hold the key to peaceful nights. A groundbreaking study examined men with enlarged prostates. They consumed garlic extract for just 1 month. The results shocked even the researchers. Prostate size decreased significantly. PSA levels, those markers your doctor watches, dropped dramatically. And those annoying nighttime bathroom visits, cut nearly in half. The secret lies in garlic's anti-inflammatory compounds. They specifically target prostate tissue, reducing swelling, improving urinary flow, allowing complete bladder emptying. Think about what this means. No more waking up 3 times a night. No more interrupted sleep. No more planning your evening around bathroom proximity. David from Phoenix experienced this firsthand. I was up 4 times every night for years. My wife slept in another room. After 6 weeks of nighttime garlic, I sleep through the night. We're back in the same bed. The research suggests consuming garlic 1 hour before bed allows these compounds to work during your body's natural repair cycle. When inflammation decreases, the prostate returns to normal size, pressure on the urethra reduces, and sleep becomes peaceful again. But the final benefit might be the most important of all. Benefit 5. The sleep tia nesefo amati ion quality. Sleep is the foundation of male health. It's when testosterone peaks. When muscles repair, when your brain consolidates memories. Yet most men over 40 struggle with truly restorative sleep. Japanese researchers discovered something remarkable about garlic and sleep. In a 12-week study, participants taking garlic extract experienced profound changes. They fell asleep faster. They stayed asleep longer. But most importantly, they reached deeper sleep stages. These deep sleep stages are where the magic happens. Growth hormone releases. Testosterone production peaks. Cellular repair accelerates. Research revealed that garlic helps balance neurotransmitters. Serotonin increases. Dopamine stabilizes. The stress hormones that keep you in light sleep vanish. Men in the study reported waking up feeling different. Not just rested. Restored. Rejuvenated. Ready to conquer the day. Tom from Atlanta put it perfectly. I'm 55 and haven't slept well in years. Started garlic before bed, and it's like someone reset my clock. I wake up feeling 35 again. The protocol for sleep optimization is specific. 2 cloves of fresh garlic, crushed and mixed with honey, consumed exactly 60 minutes before bed. This timing aligns with your body's natural sleep hormone production. The complete protocol here's exactly how to harness these 5 benefits. Step 1. Buy fresh, organic garlic. Not powder. Not pills. Fresh bulbs only. Step 2. 1 hour before bed, crush 2 cloves. Let them sit for 10 minutes. This activates the allicin. 3. Mix with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Local honey works best. The enzymes enhance absorption. Step 4. Consume the mixture. Follow with a small glass of warm water. This helps distribution throughout your system. Step 5. Maintain this routine for at least 30 days. The benefits compound over time. Most men notice changes within the first week. Critical. Warning: if you're on blood thinners, consult your doctor first. Garlic can enhance their effects. Start with 1 clove. If you have a sensitive stomach, build up gradually. Never use garlic supplements as a substitute. The research specifically studied fresh garlic. The processing destroys crucial compounds. If you experience any unusual symptoms, stop and consult a healthcare provider. Though rare, some people have garlic sensitivities. The bottom line for thousands of years. Garlic has been called nature's medicine. Now we know why. But, more importantly, we know when the difference between garlic at dinner and garlic at bedtime isn't subtle. It's transformative. One supports basic health. The other unlocks your body's full potential. Every night you wait is another night of missed opportunities. Missed testosterone production. Missed circulation improvement. Missed metabolic optimization. Missed prostate health. Missed restorative sleep. The men who've discovered this secret aren't special. They just learned something most never will. That timing isn't just important. It's everything. Tonight, you have a choice. Continue doing what you've always done, or try something that could change everything. The research is clear. The protocol is simple. The only question is will you be one of the few who actually does something with this knowledge? Your journey to better health doesn't require expensive supplements. It doesn't need complicated routines. It starts with 2 cloves of garlic and perfect timing. If this information opened your eyes, type tonight in the comments. Let's see who's ready to transform their health. Share this with a friend who needs to hear it. Subscribe now for more hidden health secrets the establishment doesn't want you to know. Hit the notification bell, because next week we're revealing the morning routine that multiplies these nighttime benefits. Remember, small changes in timing create massive changes in results. Tonight could be the night everything changes. The choice is yours. Sweet dreams. And here's to waking up as the man you were meant to be.
You know that feeling when you discover something wonderful? Something so simple, yet so powerful, you can't wait to tell someone about it. That's what Senior Health Tactics is all about. Real people. Real science, real results, no miracles. No magic pills, just small daily choices that add up to something beautiful. If today's video resonated with you, we'd love to have you join our community, subscribe, and let's discover together how good these years can truly be. And if someone came to mind while watching, someone who might enjoy this journey too, feel free to share. After all, the best adventures are the ones we take together. Thank you for spending this time with us. Here's to writing a beautiful next chapter, one healthy choice at a time.